Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add all the YouTube video details to your Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now, whenever you will be uploading a new video on your YouTube like this, all the details of this with the video URL, title, description, time of uploading will be shared to your Google Sheet spreadsheet so that you can easily track all the details of the videos which you have already uploaded on your YouTube like this. We have the channel name, video title, description, published at, and video link. And this is how your automation workflow will start working after creating this workflow. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this for your own business, let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can add all the details of the videos which are uploaded on my channel on YouTube to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And for this, we are going to build the connection between YouTube and Sheets using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com. And if you are visiting this Connect page, /Connect in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and all the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create this from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically log new videos in Google Sheets, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as YouTube automation and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new video on YouTube, automatically the details of the video is added to the spreadsheet, which means whenever I'm going to upload a new video on the YouTube, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking YouTube, and following this trigger application and the action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. In the trigger event, I'm going to select new video in channel with video URL and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on the sign in with Google. Now here you have to choose your Google account with which you have logged in your YouTube. So I'm going to add that account. Here, after adding the account, you can see the connection is created successfully. YouTube is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to click on the save and send test requests. Now over here, YouTube is a polling based application. Now over here, you can see that I have already selected the channel ID. If I open the channel which I have created, I'm going to show you that this is the same channel. That one channel I have, it is selected already over here. I'm going to open my channel. So this is the channel. If I click on this, you can see that this is the demo channel. Now I'm going to go towards this create. I'm going to upload the video. So here, as soon as the video will be uploaded, I'm going to add the title. So let's suppose I'm going to add Facebook to Premiere. So I'm going to add it just like that for now. We will learn automation using Pabbly Connect is the description. Then I'm going to add, if you want to add something else, you can do that. I'm going to add the tags also. So here, let's suppose I want to add Pabbly and automation as the tag. Then after adding this, I'm going to click on this next, and I'm going to publish this. So here, as soon as the video will be published, I'm going to go back towards my workflow, and then you will see I'm going to capture the details of the recent video. Here, this particular video, Facebook to Premiere automation, is uploaded. So I'm going to refresh this once. And if I go towards the shorts, I have uploaded a short. If you uploaded a video, you can check it over here. You can also upload the video. I have uploaded the short. So we have this Facebook to preview. And if I open this, I will go towards the link. This is the video. This is the short Facebook to preview. And we have the title and the description. Now I'm going to go back towards my workflow. And I'm going to click on the save and send test request. You will see I'm going to capture the recent response. Now here we have the video URL. I'm going to copy this, paste it over here and check whether I have received the same video or not. And this is the same Facebook lead automation, Facebook to preview automation. So if I check the titles, we have the same title and then we have the same description like this. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new video, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now over here you see this timer. If I right click on this, I have to click on the set trigger time. In this drop down I have so many timings. You can select this according to the requirement and then save this. In this manner, whenever you are going to get a new response, whenever a new video will be uploaded on YouTube, you are going to get the response according to the time which you have selected. And as it is a polling based application, you are not going to get the response instantly, so you can set the timing. Now I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In the action event, I'm going to select add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, click on this allow to grant away the permission. You will see Google Sheets will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Connection created successfully. Now I have to select the spreadsheet. If I open my Google Sheets, on the top you can see the spreadsheet YouTube videos. So I'm going to select that, and as I select the spreadsheet, all the fields which I have in this particular spreadsheet will appear here. Now I'm going to enter the details or map the details. I'm not going to enter this manually, instead I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this YouTube, and then I'm going to map it. So first I'm going to enter the channel. The channel is this demo channel. Then I'm going to enter the video title. So the video title was this Facebook to preview. Then we have the description, which is this, and then we have this date published at. So I've entered this. I'm going to save this, and then I also want to add the video link field over here. So I'm going to create one more field. Here I have added this video link. I'm going to go back towards my workflow. I'm going to refresh this, and you will see the video field will appear. So we have this video link. I'm going to map the video link also. Now over here you see mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all the details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. We have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my sheets and check whether all the details are added or not, and here it is. We have added all the details. The name of the channel was demo channel. The title was this, the description was this, the date and the timing of the publication is this, and then we have the video link. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards that video. So this is how I have built the connection between YouTube and Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.